Hello, boys and girls. We are working on that standard subtracting mixed numbers. A suggestion I had, and I'm going to do it every day, I'm going to do the exit ticket from the day before so that you can see and check to see how you did. So 4 2/3 minus 2 1/3. Well, I can go 4 minus 2 equals 2. And then I see 2/3 is bigger than 1/3. So 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. That one was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's try another one. 12 5/8 minus 8 7/8. Now, remember, we learned lots of methods. You can choose whichever one works best for you. I'm going to do 12 minus 8 equals 4. So I have 4 5/8 minus 7/8. Now I'm going to break this down. 7/8 I can break into 5/8 and 2/8. So my 5/8 cancel each other out. Now I have 4 minus 2/8. So take one whole away, make 8/8, yeah? That leaves me 3, yippee yeah. So 3 8/8 minus 2/8. And my final answer is 3 6/8. You might have solved this one a different way. It's okay. Remember, any way that works for your brain is good for me. Now, today, you do not have to do the problem set. You only have the FDQ. But I want to show you again different ways to do it. And it's really focusing on that last method I taught you yesterday. So if I'm starting with 4 1/3, I can decompose that into 3 wholes, and then that's 3/3 plus 1/3 is 4/3. So 3 4/3 minus 2/3. 3 minus nothing is 3. 4/3 minus 2/3 is 2/3. Let's try another one. So I'm going to decompose this 5 into 4 4/4. Then I need to add those together. So I have 4 6/4 minus 3/4. 4 minus nothing is 4. 6/4 minus 3/4 is 3/4. Let's try one more together. I'm going to decompose this 8 into 7 5/5. Now I'm going to add these fractions together. So I have 7 8/5 minus 4/5. 7 minus nothing equals 7. 8/5 minus 4/5 is 4/5. That is my favorite way to do it. Let's do a couple where the mixed number has 2 whole numbers. So any strategy, I'm going to show you this new strategy again. Remember, I'm not going to upload the problem set. I'm just showing you. 7 3/8 minus 2 5/8. So my 7, I'm going to make 6 8/8. Then I'm going to add these together. 6 11/8 minus 2 5/8. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 11/8 minus 5/8 equals 6/8. Let's try another. I'm just going to hop down to C. 8 3/12 minus 3 8/12. So I'm going to decompose that 8 into 7 12/12. I add these together. 7 15/12 minus 3 8/12. Ooh, look at how I'm writing up on a slant. They say that's because you're in a good mood. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. 15/12 minus 8/12 is 7/12. One more let's do together. Ooh, look at this one, 2/50. So I'm going to decompose my 14 into 13 50/50. Now I'm going to add these two together. 13 52/50 minus 6 43/50. 13 minus 6 is 7. 52 minus 43 is 9/50. So this is why I'm not making you do the problem set today. You can pick any of the 3 ways to solve when you're doing mixed numbers minus mixed numbers. Work really hard on that FDQ. And remember, if it tells you it's wrong, but you feel that it's right, don't panic, because I can still look at it and give you your best score. I miss you 7 gazillion tons. Bye-bye.